Welcome everyone to the Coaster Spot. This is Alex, and yesterday, Six Flags Hurricane Harbor in New Jersey, located right next to Great Adventure, dropped a teaser that proclaims it will change everything. An announcement will be made on March 1st, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to get an instant notification when the news is released. So, a new attraction on the Hurricane Harbor side of things makes perfect sense. The water park gets extremely crowded on most days and is always in need of more capacity. Additionally, not much is going on over at the theme park this year with only a possible repaint of Nitro, repairs to open El Toro, and finally completing the relocation of Barnstormer Kids Ride. The 50th anniversary is looming around the corner just next year, and the hope is that they will go big. So it makes perfect sense for them to focus on a Hurricane Harbor, which hasn't seen a new slide since 2013 with Big Wave Racer and has actually lost a slide tower when the 2012 King Cobra was removed in 2018. New attractions at the water park historically have not opened until June at the earliest and have stretched into late July. So, no signs of construction at this point doesn't mean much since they usually do not start until April, no matter the size of the project. Looking around the Six Flags chain, a handful of water parks have added water coasters, so it is a possibility that New Jersey could see one. No matter how hopeful I am of the reality of that, the teaser post on Instagram was accompanied by construction photos of Caribbean Cove, a water kids playground installed in 2016. This kids area has always seemed a little incomplete, so the additions of a bunch of mini body slides surrounding the area makes perfect sense. These kid slide complexes have grown in a lot of popularity since Caribbean Cove's installation, and furthermore, Six Flags Fiesta Texas is adding one this year as well. Personally, I believe this is what will be added, and it will be a welcome addition to the park, but hopefully I'm wrong. Or even better, there will be multiple additions. But either way, we'll find out March 1st. Until then, this has been Alex. Like this video, comment down below with your predictions, and I'll see you very soon.